Hey loves, welcome back to SoulSync. You know that feeling when you catch a guy smiling for no reason? That soft, goofy, almost embarrassing grin that says you've totally taken over his mind? Yeah, that's the smile we're talking about today. A smile that makes him feel like he's the luckiest man alive and leaves him low-key obsessed with you. And the best part? You don't even have to try too hard. With a mix of charm, teasing, and your natural feminine energy, you can make him smile like an idiot without even lifting a finger. So let's dive in, and I'll show you exactly how to pull this off. 1. Tease him in the cutest way. Guys secretly love playful teasing, especially when it's coming from the girl they like. When you poke fun at him lightly, maybe about the way he eats, how he always gets competitive over silly things, or how he pretends to not care when he clearly does, it makes him feel this special kind of attention that only you can give. Your teasing tells him you're comfortable, close, and bold enough to play around with him, and that makes his grin impossible to hide. But here's the magic. The way you tease matters more than what you say. Add a sly smile, a mischievous look in your eyes, or even a soft laugh after your joke. That little combination is what gets him smiling like an idiot because he knows you mean. You're flirting. It becomes your inside language with him, and suddenly he's craving those moments with you. And don't underestimate how powerful it is when you tease him in front of others too. Not in a harsh way, but in a playful, confident manner that shows the bond you two share. He'll try to play it cool, but inside, he's melting. Because deep down, nothing makes a guy happier than feeling like he has that kind of exclusive chemistry with you that nobody else can replicate. 2. Give him that unexpected compliment. A well-placed compliment can make his whole day. Guys don't hear compliments nearly as often as girls do, so when it comes from you, it hits harder than you think. Imagine casually saying, "You look really good in that shirt," or "I love the way you talk about things you care about." The second those words leave your lips, his smile will stretch wide because it feels rare, special, and genuine. The beauty of compliments is that they don't have to be dramatic. In fact, the more random and unexpected, the better. Compliment his laugh, the way he smells, how smart he is, or how he makes people around him feel comfortable. Those small things make him feel seen, and being truly seen by the girl he likes, that's an instant idiot smile moment. And when you deliver the compliment, say it with confidence and eye contact. Guys notice the energy behind your words. If you say it in a soft, sweet voice, maybe even while leaning closer, he'll not only smile like crazy, but probably replay that moment in his head later when he's alone. That's the kind of impact you want. 3. Randomly touch him in subtle ways. Physical touch has this electric charm that instantly makes a guy melt. When you lightly brush his arm while laughing, fix his collar, or touch his hand while making a point, it feels so intimate that he can't stop smiling. It's like you're telling him, "I'm comfortable with you," without actually saying it. What makes it so powerful is that it feels casual, but in his mind, it's not casual at all. A small touch from you can make his whole body react, and that reaction comes out in the form of that goofy, uncontainable grin. Especially when it's unexpected, like bumping into him playfully or leaning close to whisper something. It's the little shock factor that lights him up. And let's not ignore the way guys brag about this silently in their heads. He'll smile in front of you, but inside he's screaming, "She touched me." That tiny action stays with him all day, and suddenly he's looking at you differently. Like you're the one who has the power to make him feel both calm and nervous in the sweetest way possible. 4. Laugh at his jokes. Even the dumb ones, guys, absolutely melt when you laugh at their jokes. It's not about whether the joke is actually funny. It's about the fact that you're giving him your attention and validating his effort to make you laugh. That sound of your laughter instantly makes him feel proud and giddy, which is why he ends up smiling like an idiot. Your laughter becomes addictive for him. When you throw your head back, touch his arm, or cover your mouth in that playful way, he feels like the funniest guy in the world. And the truth is, it boosts his confidence, because nothing feels better than knowing he can make the girl he likes laugh. That's an ego boost that no one else can compete with. Over time, he'll start looking for ways to make you laugh more, because your smile and laughter are rewards he can't get enough of. And that's the thing. By simply laughing at his silly jokes, you've made yourself the source of his happiness. That's exactly why he ends up smiling like a complete fool whenever you're around. 5. Whisper teases in his ear. There's nothing that makes a guy's brain short-circuit faster than when you lean in close and whisper something only meant for him. The warmth of your breath on his ear, the softness of your voice, and the intimacy of knowing no one else can hear what you just said. It's a direct hit to his nerves. Whether you whisper a sweet compliment or something a little naughty, the closeness alone makes him grin like a fool. Even in public, this move works like magic. Imagine you're with friends or in a crowd, and you lean in unexpectedly, brushing your lips dangerously close to his ear, just to drop a playful tease. It's secret, it's sexy, and it instantly creates that private bubble where only the two of you exist. Guys love feeling like you've just let them in on a little secret, especially when it's wrapped in your flirtatious tone. And the best part? He'll replay it over and over in his head long after. A guy may forget a text or a casual joke, but when you whisper in his ear and leave him blushing, that smile will linger for hours. It's simple, but powerful, like pressing his reset button and making him goofy happy with just one move. Playful touches that aren't just friends. Touches are everything when it comes to teasing a guy into smiling like an idiot. Brush your hand against his arm while laughing at his joke, steal his cap and wear it, or fix his collar while looking him dead in the eye. These little physical moves scream flirtation. They blur the line between innocent and suggestive, and guys can't help but melt into them. When you add intention to your touches, it makes him feel wanted without you having to say a word. Resting your hand on his thigh while talking, running your fingers across his knuckles, or even lightly tracing his jaw while making eye contact, these things don't just make him smile, they make him feel like he's the only man in the world. It's playful, it's bold, and it drives him crazy. And trust me, guys notice. They may act casual on the outside, but inside, their heart is racing. Every tiny touch gets stored in his memory as a moment of closeness he'll keep replaying. That's why a well-timed playful touch doesn't just make him smile, it makes him yours in that second. 7. Inside jokes that only you two understand. One of the sexiest ways to make a guy grin like an idiot is to build those little private jokes that belong only to the two of you. It creates intimacy without even needing physical touch, because it shows him you're tuned into him in a way no one else is. Then the moment you drop one of your inside jokes, he'll light up instantly. Because it reminds him of a memory only you both share. Inside jokes are powerful because they make him feel special. Out of all the people you talk to, he knows he's the only one you share that laugh with. Whether it's a funny phrase, a random nickname, or even something silly from a past conversation, bringing it up in the right moment creates that us against the world vibe that melts him instantly. And the sexiest part? You can use them flirty too. Maybe you twist an inside joke into a suggestive tease, or you send him a one-word text that only he will understand. The fact that it's just between you two makes it hotter. And trust me, it'll make him laugh, blush, and adore you all at once. 8. Give him that "I'm trouble" look. Sometimes you don't even have to say a word. Just give him that one look that says, "I know I'm driving you crazy, and I'm enjoying it." It's playful, seductive, and guaranteed to make him grin like a complete idiot because he knows you're messing with his head. That mix of innocence and danger in your eyes? Irresistible. It's all about timing. Maybe he says something cheeky, and instead of replying, you just raise an eyebrow, bite your lip, and tilt your head slightly. That nonverbal tease speaks louder than anything else. And it makes him laugh because he knows you're holding power over him in that exact second. The look alone will have him tripping over his words. Guys are visual, and they read your energy more than you think. A playful smirk, a subtle lean closer, or even that sarcastic eye roll that you pair with a smile, it leaves him grinning like crazy because he knows you're intentionally making it fun, sexy, and flirty all at once. That look becomes unforgettable, and he'll chase it again and again. So, loves, those are some of the most deliciously playful ways to make him smile like an idiot without even trying too hard. The secret isn't in grand gestures, it's in those little flirty touches, the private jokes, and the subtle looks that drive him crazy in the best way. When you know how to mix cute with sexy, you leave him completely undone. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss another spicy SoulSync drop. And of course, I want to hear from you. Tell me in the comments, which of these are you guilty of doing already? Or which one are you going to try next?